Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a silk press tutorial on my natural hair. So first I'm going to start on the side that is not blow dried and it is just a little bit damp. So I'm just going to separate this side into two parts. For today's heat protectant, I will be using the BioSilk Silk Therapy and I purchased it at Target. To start off, for the small section, I just use very little heat protectant because the whole point of a silk press is to get your hair as silky as possible, and to do so you have to use very minimal product. That is the secret to my silk presses. I barely use any product, and if I do, it has to be very little so that my hair can still be lightweight. The blow dryer I use on my hair is the Conair 1875 Styler. It's a regular schmegular blow dryer. You can literally buy it at any store, and I think it costs less than $20. It is very important to blow dry your hair thoroughly and to make sure that your roots are not wet. A few times you'll see me going back to my roots just to make sure that they're dry, because if your roots are wet and you do decide to straighten them, it's gonna start steaming and it's just not gonna be a pretty sight. Once I finish blow drying my hair, what I usually do is I take my blow dryer and I put on the cool setting, and I just give my hair just a nice cool blow just to make sure everything's settled. So now for the straightening portion. I already started on half of my hair and I'm going to show you the front half. The flat iron that I use is the Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss. This flat iron costs a little bit over $100, but I think I got it for either $90 at JCPenney's online. I just caught a lucky sale, but it's really good. It gets really hot, and I don't really see the exact setting I put it on, but just make sure you don't put it too high. And with the temperature that I use, all I have to do is pass through my hair once, and you'll see that in the video. I didn't show this part, but when I do my hair, I always part my edges separately. And I do my edges last because when I used to do my edges in order based on the section, by the time I finished my hair, it would be so hot in my room just from being by the flat iron that I would sweat my edges out. So what I do is I just part them and make sure I do the edges at the end. Don't be alarmed by the smoke. So the smoke is not from my hair burning. It's just because I have heat protectant on my hair, and the titanium plates are hitting that heat protectant and it's smoking, but I trust and believe it's not burning. My curls are always popping whenever I wash my hair. And just make sure closer to the edge area, you be extremely careful because these plates get hot. I have burned my forehead before, and I'm not going to do that again. So just make sure you're careful by your edges, and make sure you have a window open or a fan on, because that smoke getting in your face is not it. Okay, so I finally finished straightening my hair, and just by the look of it, it looks a little silky, but my ends look extremely dry, and this is because I dyed my hair a year ago, and ever since then, the ends of my hair have been really dry and frizzy. So now it's time for me to trim them.